What's up, Average Dad fans? I just received the Huawei MateBook Fold Ultimate 2026 edition. In this video, I am going to unbox it, show you around the hardware, and talk about Windows 11, stylus support, and a few other nice little surprises. Without further ado, let's fucking go. Well, here we go, folks. Last year's MateBook Fold was arguably the best tech product of the year. I strongly believe that with the granted smallish upgrades, this MateBook Fold 2026 will take the crown. Remember, we're talking about new hardware, new software, new chipset, stylus support. There's a lot to love about the new MateBook Fold 2026. And I am unboxing it for the first time. I promise I have not looked at it at all. But for keen-eyed among you, you will notice that there is no outer seal on this. That is because if you purchase through the Average Dad Tech store, we will email you and ask if you would like us to install Windows 11. Yes, we can install Microsoft Windows 11 on the MateBook Fold for you free of charge. Yes, no charges, no fees whatsoever. So, I am going to unbox this. Try not to make a mess of my trousers while I do it. Sorry, that was a bit lewd, but yeah, I'm so excited. I am using this device when it's unboxed. Once it's set up, I am going to do a full review and I'm going to take it to Berlin, Germany for IFA and watch as everyone gops on as I use this in all the breakout areas. So anyway, I digress. Here we have, just like last time, the Fold itself. I'm actually going to leave this until the end. So I'm going to pop the Fold carefully down over here. And we're going to see what contents are inside the box. Oh man, this is so exciting. Now, just like last year, you get a super premium leather carry case for the device. And they are colour matched. So, no prizes for guessing which colour I've gone for. This is magnetic, so it stays firmly shut. And yeah, super premium. The least we expect from Huawei, who just make simply the best hardware. Now, underneath the tray that held the Fold and the case, you have, oh my god, your colour matched accessories. I have seen images online of an open box and the stylus inside, the gold and white, is white. When you order the black, you get the black stylus. Oh, that is so cool. And the black braided USB-C to C cable. And the colour matched black 140 watt charging brick. All inside the box. Now, it doesn't stop there because not only do you get the stylus included, you get the keyboard. Yes, when you purchase the MateBook Fold, you don't need to buy anything. Everything is included in this fantastic box. Again, colour matched keyboard, and I've gone black. Now, from last year's experience, the keyboard is actually super premium. Really nice sized trackpad on there with all the gestures. The keys have not the most travel, but certainly enough. And yeah, really nice premium keyboard that you'll see very soon magnetically sticks to the MateBook Fold for transport reasons. Now, let's see what else we have, because I don't think we're quite done. Almost, but not quite. Let's see what we have inside this other little accessories box. Cleaning cloth. a Huawei branded chamois cleaning cloth. No point opening it, I know what it is. Great for cleaning the large 18-inch OLED folding display. And then what else do we have in here? Anything exciting? We have our manuals. What is this down here? What are you giving us?
One eternity later.
Okay, so I've managed to get it out and I'm none the wiser. What the hell is this little plasticky metal bit? And what the hell is this? How's this for a professional unboxing, folks? It's okay, right, fine. I know what it is. Give me this. This is a pen holder. There you go. And I'm going to assume this is magnetic and it'll attach to the fold itself. But Jesus Christ, it didn't have to be so hard to open. For anyone, if I do choose to sell this, that is buying my review unit, yeah, one of the inner boxes is ruined. But yeah, it's a stylus pen holder. Okay, so I am going to tidy all this shite away and then I'm going to unwrap the fold itself. So, now that I've tidied away the box with all the super premium accessories and everything you'll need, I've kept the keyboard out just so we can attach that to the MateBook Fold once it's unwrapped. But now it's time to see the black MateBook Fold in all its glory. I assume it's just the same black as last year, but I'm not sure if last year's had this pattern and design on it. I did see this in an image, and it's almost like carbon fibre effect on there. Anyway. Oh, look folks. Look at that. An 18-inch foldable OLED laptop. Which, by the way, I've got my Samsung SE here. Now, while clearly the MateBook Fold is thicker, it's not crazy by much. I think the SE is around 11mm. The MateBook Fold 2026 edition, it's 14.1mm folded. And I'm just going to turn it on while I'm talking through the specs and dimensions. It weighs, I believe now it weighs around 1.5 kilos, maybe 1.7. It's thinner and lighter than the previous MateBook Fold. And unfolded with the super premium hinge, by the way. Look at all the degrees and angles you can have this to. Now, as mentioned, this has already been set up with... Guys, I'm sorry. Sometimes we skip too fast. Look at this fucking display. Good Lord and Jesus. Yeah, anyone that shits on Huawei or has their snobbery for the Western market from Apple, Google, Samsung, you have to admit this is so goddamn impressive. And then software-wise, look at that. Instantly, as soon as you take off the keyboard or add the keyboard, it knows, there you go. Look at that. And then, I mean, if I'm right in saying, is it 4 fingers? Yep. A 4-finger double tap brings up a really responsive digital keyboard. Look at that. It's just, yeah. I think now, in terms... Now, the other cool feature about the back is it has a built-in kickstand. So you can rock your MateBook Fold anywhere you like. Have it like that. Pop your keyboard in front. So goddamn cool. So goddamn cool. And as last year, when you are not using the Fold, simply magnetically attach, I'm not holding it on, look, it's magnetically attached, the keyboard to the back. Look at that. With the new, I believe it's the 90S Pro chip inside, all that power, all that screen in such a compact package. Oh, Jesus, I could never get bored of looking at this panel. Wow. Now, what I have to do is familiarize myself with how the hell to use this thing again, because there are so many features. There are gestures to swipe and get to your Windows 11, which again is baked in. I'm going to show you all the software, the features, the gestures in another video. This was very much just an unboxing and first look at the brand new MateBook Fold. Guys, leave a like below if you think this thing is stunning. Let me know in the comments what you think of it. It's so hard to get across through video how absolutely epic this thing feels. Now, there is obviously an elephant in the room. This tech does not come cheap. The Average Dad Tech Store, I believe, we're one of the only import stores to stock it. And that's probably because of the price and the fact that we had to buy stock. So we have current stock of every colour and every storage variant. But the prices range anywhere from the high 3000 GBPs to the mid 4000 GBP. So yes, you're going to have to pay to play. All I can say is if you can afford it, if it's within your budget, you absolutely will not be disappointed. But again, I'll save a lot of that stuff for the full review. Hopefully you've enjoyed this unboxing. Smash subscribe to see more content on the Huawei MateBook Fold Ultimate 2026 edition. And of course, I'll be showing you all the stylish tomfoolery you can do as well. Until next time,